In a crowded room, a timely apology can reset a tense moment before it spirals into arguments. This short script explores how the brain processes forgiveness, why timing matters, and how sincerity shows on the face. Listeners will learn to read microexpressions, choose words carefully, and use shared goals to rebuild trust after a slip. We'll compare real-life mistakes with the science of emotional validation, showing practical steps anyone can practice today. By mastering the art of first repair, relationships grow sturdier, calmer, and more resilient under pressure in daily life.